Organization agility is another one of SAFe core competencies that organizations need in order to achieve business agility. So what does organizational agility means is that we need to go beyond development or technology. It needs to be agility across the whole organization. And for that to happen, the same concepts apply. So we need to make sure that our organization as a whole has got people who are thinking and behaving aligned with the principles and the values of SAFe. And they've got that lean and agile mindset, the lean mindset that they are striving to deliver value, uninterrupted flow of value to our customers, understanding the customer needs and delivering it. And having that, if you like, critical thinking and that perfection view of the world, that we are always happy but never complacent. There is always a better way and we're going to find it. Just because something is working, that doesn't mean we don't touch it. We always look for something that can improve it in order to gain an advantage in the market and serve our customers better. So that's what we're looking at. So we're looking at the business processes that we have. How can we improve those? And how can we identify delays, handoffs, loopbacks? So if piece of work or a request goes from one team to another and then comes back to the team and it goes to another team and comes back, that's the loop back. Trying to understand why are the things coming back? What do we need to do to make it as much as possible, streamline it so we have the information that we need, so when it comes in, we can deal with it. And then that allows us to also identify the delays that we have. And delays could be because we don't have the knowledge in the team or we need to get it from somebody else. That sort of leads to have we organized ourselves around the value delivery. In other words, as a request comes to a person or a team, but the knowledge exists somewhere else and we have to go bounce back and forth. How do we reorganize ourselves so that we don't have that back and forth going through? And then when we hand work from one team to the other, is it ready to be used? So does it land on the other team and they realize that actually this isn't fit for purpose, we need to come back. So we need to look at that percentage complete and accepted. So completed from our end, when it goes to the other team, is it 100% of the time accepted? And if not, what are the gaps? Let's plug it. So that's, if you like, about the lean thinking. Teams and people aligned with the core values, principles, and also having that lean operational mindset to say, our job is to look at our value flow and within the value streams and see where the delays are and act on it. As leaders, we are responsible for the way we the system of work that we've designed and how we're managing it. Therefore, we're going to act on it to make it better. This is all well and good, but if your organizational strategy is one that changes every 20 years, you don't have business agility because you're stuck with your strategy. You will sort of say, you know, I've got the plan, I'm going to carry on doing it regardless of what. So the other dimension, so the third dimension is all about you need to also have agility in your strategy. Of course, you need strategy, but we also need to be able to sense the market and see whether our strategy needs to be adapted and changed based on the changing market conditions and the business environment that we work in. So that, at a high level, is the business agility core competency as part of SAFe.